Hi, I'm Paul Jolly, and today we're going to talk about LinkedIn and content marketing strategies. First thing we do is we actively look for people within our niche and connect with them. LinkedIn has certain requirements, so you have to be very careful. I think it's about 80 people maximum that you're allowed to connect with within your industry. But once they are your friend, once they're your friend or your friend's friend, every time you put a piece of content on LinkedIn, these people can see it. So it's very important to put content on. And the best way to do that is get an automated system, which is got a whole calendar up to maybe 6 months. And then you sit down and you write a piece of relevant content which adds value, company achievements, and comments on the post. And you put that all into a system where you regularly add content into your feed. The reason for this is right now on LinkedIn, I think there's maybe 600 million people on LinkedIn. I think as CEOs there's 10 million or maybe 12 million key decision makers. This is a very powerful platform. So everybody should be considering this, because right now, out of those 600 million people, there's only a small percentage who are actually putting content on. This last 6 months, I would say, people have started to migrate towards LinkedIn, especially people who are in the B2B industry. So we can get directly to the key decision makers, the CEOs, provide them with value-added content. First thing you need to do is set up a professional company page. Add a nice banner, and the email address, and the WhatsApp, and the website, and the WeChat, and the LinkedIn, and the phone number. Everything so people as a business can connect with you. You as the CEO, add your profile and add as many key employees as you can. Add everybody to your company page. The reason for that is when you put a piece of content out, a post, if all the employees like the post, everybody likes it, and every employee has 30,000, so you can times that by how many employees you have. And then suddenly your reach is quite substantial. Once you put this system in place, once you've got your employees commenting on your posts and sharing your posts from your company page, this will bring more people to your company page, which will have the link through to your website. At the moment, the algorithms for LinkedIn, it particularly likes just written. So just written content to put on. Another thing it likes is video. Now this is video that you've actually put onto LinkedIn, not via a link like YouTube or something like this. Obviously LinkedIn wants you to stay on that platform. They don't want you to go off to YouTube or Instagram or another platform. They want you to stay on their platform. And then a nice photo for catching the eye and some written content. And the hashtags. Hashtags are very important on LinkedIn because LinkedIn algorithm ranks you per hashtag. The next thing is you can do an @ and tag somebody into your post. So this is also powerful because every time you tag someone in your post, it tags on their 30,000 people and puts your piece of content in front of their 30,000 people. I suggest everybody really look at LinkedIn. LinkedIn is blowing up in 2020, and everybody who is a B2B business should be looking at LinkedIn to develop their content creations and their content marketing, because there's only a small percentage at the moment of B2B companies that are posting on LinkedIn. So now is the time to do it, because in 1 year time or 2 years time, it might be saturated like Facebook is and like Instagram is. So right now, I suggest everybody to focus on creating content and putting it onto LinkedIn. I'm Paul Jolly. Thanks for watching my video. Please click the link below and I'll add more content later. And be awesome and have a great day.